Today, this is going to be really simple but really pretty. I found these three bottles at Dollar Tree. They were really cute. They were either black or white, and they had these little keys or hearts hanging from them with the gingham ribbon around the top portion. So I grabbed two black and one white, and I also found this transfer in the kisses and hugs, and it had different other writings on there regarding love and Valentine's Day. So I put my bottle on top of the transfer and just marked it out. So I kind of had an idea of a size for cutting purposes. I just took a pair of scissors and just cut into this particular transfer. And these go on just like the ones that you purchased from us. And actually, they work really, really good. So I removed the film from the protective backing, laid it on the bottle. It was so simple. I did use the stick that we use with our transfers and with no effort at all, especially since it's on kind of like a glass slick surface. It applied quite well. I just love the different colors in it too. It had the black and the white, just like the bottles, and then you had splashes of red and pinks in the transfer. And as you can see, this came out well. And then I'm going to go and flip it around and do the same thing on the back. I just cut out a piece of the transfer, laid it down, used the stick to rub the image onto the bottle. And again, it did this pretty effortlessly. I felt like there was plenty to go around the entire bottle. I just didn't feel it was necessary for what I was doing. I found this tray also at the dollar store. It's the black and white check. I thought it was appropriate. It matched the bottles perfectly. And it was a way for me to display these cute little bottles. And I'm going to be using some E6000 and some hot glue. I'm going to start by putting the white bottle in the center, and I'm going to be putting the blacks on either side of the white bottle. And the lines in the buffalo check really did help me guide and keep everything nice and even. And then once you have all three down, you can pretty much put whatever you want in the bottles. I first thought of the eucalyptus, which is kind of more of a farmhouse tone with the more subtle, with the green. I thought this was really pretty. And then in my photos, I did the roses. Tell me which ones you think look better, the roses or the eucalyptus. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.